you. I left my shoes. Nah, hey, never to lose, go check the news. Stop a tiger, matter pack, come the man in a room.
No, we silly, rub off for you, Willie. No matter how you dolly or a tilly. Girl, listen, girl.
Good, no all is well with you guys. So today is January the 26th of 2022, and this is my first video for the new year. So happy new year. So whoever is watching this video, now on to the video, which is about Dancehall Artist Mr Lexx. It's an update. 2 days ago, the artist was performing. He collapsed, went into the hospital, did surgery, only to find out that something was wrong with his lungs. Now, he took to his Instagram today, and this is what he posted. Just gonna leave this here for my friends who smoke. Not telling y'all what to do, but I definitely want y'all to go through this. Every 12 hours, a different set of needles and medication. You can't imagine the pain. Damn. So just want to say speedy recovery to Mr. Lexx. And for those who are curious, the song at the beginning of this video is Mr. Lexx's new song. It's called Pucker Boots. Alright, so I'll catch you guys into the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day.